Hello and welcome again. In this post, I am about to show you how you can leverage ContentRyte platform to also post to your social media channels right from the dashboard. Now, most tools doesn't even do half of what ContentRyte is already doing for you, but let's quickly see how easy it is to connect and publish or schedule to your social media. Select on any platform like Instagram or anything else to begin connecting your social account. One thing you should know is that Facebook and Instagram are connected at the same time using the Facebook login only. Click Connect Account to link your social media profiles. Click Facebook Connect, since Instagram requires Facebook authentication. Click Continue to proceed with account connection. You can see here all your connected social media accounts here. Display all your selected social profiles, pages, and Instagram accounts. After connecting your social media accounts, now it's time to create posts to start crafting your content. Click AI Assistant to generate post ideas automatically. Select your topic to guide the AI content generation, or you can write your own idea to generate content around it. Click Generate Content to create AI-powered post copy. Click Make Me a Post to auto-generate your social content. Choose your accounts for posting. Click to select your uploaded image or choose a new one from your computer. Click Select to choose the image. Now here you have two options to schedule a post in future by selecting a date and time. Click Schedule Post to set your publishing time. Or you can click Post to publish immediately to your connected social media accounts. Success! Your post is scheduled and it will take about a minute before it changes its state from pending to successful. Thank you for watching this tutorial on ContentRyte platform.